then we connect a current injector to the L1. Then we connect it like this. Okay, the second stage you have to come here.
Is this 5 or 25?
25. It's 25. Yeah? And then if it's here, then you tap up to this side. Yeah? So then you can come to this guy here and set it to go to settings. Yeah? And then these settings, then project stage. Then this current, if it's 0, 0, you have to set it to 1. If you are doing it to 2, you can set it to any value which is required. Then we go to time. So this is time. So time is already okay. So you can set it to any value you want. And then after that you can save here. So then
Save.
Yeah, save. This is a save button. So then let's go back. Okay. Then now we can switch on this thing here, current injector. Then until there is a red light here. Yeah. Then after you switch it off, you press reset. Then now you take 2 wires. You connect one here. Connect another one here. Connect another one here. You connect it there. So now we have to switch on this thing.
Happy people, you're not getting this thing.
Stop.
You're not.
Pause.
Pause.